Welcome to our derivatives course. Today, we will be talking about how to create a profit and loss chart for a written put option. Let's begin with our illustration. We will use Google Sheets for our illustration. Let's define our specific position. We will use Apple put option for our example with a strike price of $250, option price of $3.05, and maturity date of November 21st. We will write a single contract for this example. Next, we will create a scenario analysis by increasing the spot price by $5 going up and decrease it by $5 going down. Next, we will add the strike price, which stays constant as spot price changes. Next, we will add the income, which is the option premium we collected when we wrote the put option. Our income also stays the same as spot price changes. We can now calculate the exercise value, which will include our income. Remember that any income that the option buyer earns is our loss, and any income we earn is option buyer's loss. Notice that the exercise value for a written put option is the same as the long put option, except we multiply it with -1. Buyer's profit is our loss. Finally, we add the profit and loss chart. Notice that we have a very limited profit of $305 and unlimited loss potential. This concludes our illustration of how to create a profit and loss chart for a written put option. See you at the next lecture.